Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to use TickPick. TickPick is a no-fee ticket marketplace that makes buying and selling event tickets simple and transparent. Unlike many competitors, it eliminates hidden service fees, so the price you see is the price you pay. The platform uses an innovative bidding system, allowing users to place offers on tickets and potentially score deals below market value. Its best deal ranking feature helps buyers by sorting tickets based on price and seat quality, making it easier to find the best options. TickPick covers a wide range of events including concerts, sports, and theater shows, ensuring diverse ticket availability. The mobile app enhances user experience with a seamless interface, interactive seat maps, and real-time price updates. To use TickPick, simply search for an event, browse ticket listings, select your preferred seats, and complete the purchase without worrying about extra fees. Additionally, its buyer trust guarantee provides security by ensuring all tickets are valid and delivered on time. While its prices are often lower than competitors due to the fee-free model, ticket availability may sometimes be limited for high-demand events. Overall, TickPick is a great choice for those looking for transparent pricing and a smooth ticket buying experience. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.